Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today I will be making Kinder Bueno milk cake and it has been highly requested by you. For Kinder Bueno milk cake ingredients and measurement, check the description box below. I'll write it down everything on the description so you can have a look. First of all, I'm going to sift all dry ingredients together. So here I'm using 180 grams self-raising flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to use 85 grams of cocoa powder and I'm going to sift it. Try to get good quality cocoa powders. I would like to use 3 teaspoons of ground hazelnuts. So what I did, I just got hazelnut from supermarket and I just ground it. I'm using half teaspoon of salt and mix all ingredients together. In a separate bowl, I am using 3 egg white and I'm going to separate all egg yolks so I can use it later on. I will beat the egg white in high speed at least for 5 to 6 minutes. At the same time, I'm using 180 grams of granulated sugar in the egg white. But as you can see, I'm using bit by bit. So first I'm using half of the sugar amount, then mixing, then again another half, then mixing it again, not all together. I'm using 3 leftover egg yolk in the egg white, bit by bit, mixing it and then using it again. I'm using half of the dry ingredients in the egg white. Then I'm going to mix it. Make sure it's mixed properly. I am using other half of the dry ingredients and mixing it with all the egg whites. When all ingredients are well mixed, add 30 ml of full-fat milk and mix it again. Now I would like to use 2 tablespoons of hazelnut spread with cocoa in the mixture. But it's completely up to you guys. If you would like hazelnut flavor, like you can use more. So here, as you can see, I'm using 2 tablespoons of Nutella, but you can use Nutella white chocolate if you want. It's completely up to you guys. I am using my last ingredient, 60 ml of melted butter. I'm mixing it with all the other ingredients until it's well combined. But this butter is completely optional. If you don't want to use butter in your milk cake, you can make milk cake without the butter. It's completely up to you guys, but definitely I like to use little amount of butter. Now my cake batter is ready to go in the oven. So here I'm using 8-inch baking tray and I used a non-stick baking paper. So I'm going to transfer all the butter. I'm going to place this in the oven for at least 25 to 30 minutes until it's baked. In the meantime, I'm making 3 Leches milk. So here I'm using 100 ml of full-fat milk. And then I'm going to use 170 ml of evaporated milk and 80 ml of sweet condensed milk. You can use 1 or 2 teaspoons of Nutella spread in there. give them a good stir and leave it on the side. My cake is ready, but I waited for it to cool down. Now I'm removing the baking paper from the bottom. Now I am using a fork to poke the cake. Try to poke the cake as much as you can. And then I am pouring the milk top over the cake. Now I am going to leave the cake in the fridge for overnight. For cake decoration, I'm using 60 grams of icing sugar and 300 ml of double cream. I also like to use 1 tablespoon of hazelnuts in the cream, so it will give you a good flavor. I'm going to beat the cake for a couple of minutes until it's thick enough, but I don't like to make it too thick. My whipped cream is ready, and now I would like to decorate the cake. For decoration, I will use a star-shaped nozzle, and if you see my previous videos, milk cake videos, you can see how I decorated my all my milk cakes. So I like to decorate the same way. I think it's easier to cut the cake, it looks nice that way. So I just cut it in the middle, and then I started decorating from the side, but it's completely depend on you how you want to decorate. I would like to use some ground hazelnut on the top of the cake. Also, I would like to use some Kinder Bueno chocolate. You can use any Kinder Bueno chocolate if you want. You can use white chocolate. So here, my Kinder Bueno milk cake is ready. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and make sure you make this cake at home and do let me know. If you have any question, if you want to know anything, just comment below. I will answer your question. Also, I would like to let you know, guys, you can order all of Masuma's milk cake from Masuma's Insta page called Masuma's Kitchen. The links to my milk cake recipes can be found in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Bye.